Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a brand new knife line that we brought on this year. This is a budget knife with great quality, with a great designer. This is the new Eikonic Fairwind folding pocket knife. And before I get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now to be alerted for new products, discount codes, specials, and how-to videos. The Fairwind was designed by Sam and his team from HEA Designs out of Brooklyn, New York. And the blade is made from premium D2 steel. And it measures almost 2 3/4 inches. The handle is available in 3 colors and is made from G10. It is hand finished and has a deep carry clip, as you can see here. And it includes a ceramic ball bearings and has great action, as you can see here. And this is right out of the box. These cost $74.99, and that includes free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video right now. Thank you for watching.